Now let me talk very shortly about PMF. And I love it because, and you know I love it, because we are electricity. You're atoms and electrons. That's the quantums are the first. And then all of those quantums make up electrons and atoms. They swivel around. They're full electricity, electrical charge. And all of them build then your biochemistry and your cells. So in essence, you are an electrical being. Now, when you are sick, what happens? Energy is drained. The disease and the repair of the disease steals all that energy. You get tired, you get brain dead, you get physical slow, you want to sleep a lot. That's the normal reaction. That's why kids, when they have a disease, go to bed and sleep 2-3 days. And that means every extremity, every activity, and especially every brain activity, stressful mind, can use tons of energy. So switching that off and going for sleep, what a relief. And then your body has the ability and the energy to heal. That's what normally happens. Well, we pop a pill today and go still to work because we can't afford another sick day, right? Well, that's not the purpose. So using the time to heal and to gather that energy for the repair is important. But when you have a chronic disease, that is not done with going to bed 3 days and then being well again. It's chronic, it's ongoing. So you lose more and more and more and more energy. And it's like your bank account. The more and more you try and treat and buy and do, the more your energy levels go down. And that's the same with your physical energy. And that's why PEMF is an ion shooter. It's an electron shooter. It shoots energy into your body. So what does it do when that energy enters into your body? A magnetic field. It stimulates your cells to have more energy, produce more ATP, absorb more oxygen for ATP production, absorb more nutrients, so that they can repair and build DNA and repair everything. DNA repair in the cell is so important. So that's done with energy. And that's why PMF is the most powerful and the most neutral energy that you can induce into the body to expedite healing. And that's how they discovered it. Like the astronauts went into space, left the magnetic field of the Earth, and their blood was clotting up, they got sick. They had all oxygen, everything, but they didn't have a magnetic field, so they got sick. When they introduced the magnetic field, wow, they could stay a lot longer. And that's the same thing. If you have a chronic disease and you induce PEMF, pulse electromagnetic fields, your body goes, wow. And I told you the story, and I love it. Retirement village, we went and sold 2 PMF devices, the big PMT 120s, and then the nurse called me and said, Marcus, we need a third one. And I said, how are they going? And said, well, I don't really know. We never get rid of problems, right? We only exchange them from one form into another. And I said, yeah, that's pretty much right. But what new form do you have? And she said, dancing in the corridors, libido problems, parties, room parties at night, escaping patients because they feel so good. It's actually more stressful than it was before to hand out my pills. And I found that so uplifting. Now, she choked a little bit because they were buying the third machine. They do it. We have a lot of retirement villages which use those devices because they feel so much better. Now, that's inducing more life energy. And that helps with everything. It helps with wound healing. It helps with your immune system destroying cancer cells. It helps with your immune system killing off pathogens, bacteria, fungi, mold, virus, and everything. It helps with detoxification of all the toxins that you push out. It's phenomenal. So why would you not do a treatment that is proven to work, which has more and more research studies, especially in wound healing, also in cancer, coming through? It's a treatment that is not targeted. So don't think you buy a PMF and you kill a cancer with it. It's a treatment that you do to enhance your overall energy so that your body can deal with cancer, that your body can deal with Lyme, that your body can repair tissue, heal faster, have more energy, and give you more joy of life. because you realize when you're tired, life sucks, right? And when you are exhausted, it's a drag. And if you have energy, everything is so much easier. And that's why this is a treatment that, as a add-on, as a complementary treatment, just to enhance your performance, is phenomenal. We have now so many sport and fitness clubs and super athletes and soccer clubs buying those equipments, and they do well. So I believe it's a valid addition to our training program. And again, we show you systemic treatment, overall treatment, supplementation to counter side effects from toxic washout and all of that, and you will love it. And you can try all the different devices. We have them all there so that you can see which one resonates best with your budget or with your body. Rife.